Lee Brenton from Guardrail Systems. Our company specialises in installing guardrail safety barriers. We've been going for 10 years to become one of the leaders in New South Wales. We've progressed with machinery as well, from an old drop hammer on the back of a tractor 10 years ago. We've now decided to upgrade to a much better machine. That's why we've chosen the JCB telehandler. It's capable of unloading a semi-trailer, and we've incorporated an Ortico post driver onto the back of the telehandler and then made the whole machine the telehandler remote control in its drive and steer functions. We're finding the machine far superior to the one we had previously in that it can lift greater loads, more able to drive the post into hard ground. So we're very happy with how we've progressed over the 10 years. The two biggest benefits of the JCB are its power and lifting ability for what we want. It has far greater lifting capacity than the tractor we previously had. When I was choosing the machine, I went to different companies, but was very satisfied with JCB's machine. But not just their machine, but their service. They've been very helpful through that process of modifying and getting the machine to where it is now. The machine's a lot more productive than our previous machine. The fact that it's driving the posts in quicker. I know there will be an increase in productivity in terms of the quantity of guardrail that we install in a day. I'm probably saving $80,000 to $100,000 in terms of on costs, and I've had plenty of service from JCB, and it's been a great experience working with them.